Hey guys! In addition to our article, we created a short video on our newest Feedlink product with some helpful steps on how you can edit and customize your link in bio to your own liking. I'll start within the link itself and the Profile Settings tab. Here, you can start with choosing your layout. You can opt between the banner, the classic, or the default layout. I will go with the banner layout and show you how you can change the background color of the layout. Moreover, over here you can change the text color and the corner radius. Lastly, you can change the position of the text and put it on the right, in the center, or on the left side. Next, we are moving to the elements. Here, you can choose which element you want to be displayed and can turn off the title, the avatar, or the Follow Us button, for example. Next, you can choose which header separator you like the most. We have a slanted option, a round one, and our default straight one. Here, in the slanted option, you can choose and upload a picture of your own liking. Now, we're going to head to the design changes that you can apply. We have 7 themes from which you can choose and further customize them. You can start customizing your theme by choosing a different background color and by choosing a different link color. You can also change the text color if you want to. Don't forget to click on the Save button at the top right after making a change, so that all of your customization is saved. Once you're done customizing your link and ready to display it on your awesome social media platforms, just click on the Copy Link button right at the top of the setting bar and paste it anywhere you want. Hope this video was helpful, and please feel free to reach out to us via email or live chat if you have any questions. We're happy to help.